Hello everyone, today we're going to go through how to use the Bosch 800 series built-in coffee machine. Here you can see the machine, so it's built into the wall here. So we'll just zoom in here a little closer. There's the on button on the left hand side, I'll just press that here, should turn the machine on. Now the machine is indicating that it needs to be filled with water. So to fill the water tank, you need to open the machine. On the right hand side, pull forward like a door and the machine opens. Now the water tank is on the left hand side. You can just pull it straight out. The whole lid comes off, or you can pour the water through the top as there are some openings. The beans container is the top right hand corner here. So I'll pull this guy straight out and you can see the beans. So the lid just pops off, has a nice rubber seal to keep everything fresh. About a 1 pound bag fits perfectly in here. I think you can also use ground coffee, but we always use full beans. On the bottom, you'll also find the drip tray and grind collector, which just pulls out for easy cleaning. Setting up the milk container has a few more steps, but it's quite easy. So first you need to get the supplies for the tube to connect the milk container. Top left hand corner here, pulls out. You've got some supplies, so I'll just put this on the counter there. And then in the corner here, there's actually a hidden little straw. Pull that guy out, and I'll show you how to set this up. So you have your long plastic straw, 2 rubber straws, and a little stainless steel straw. So now this is the straw all set up. Rubber, stainless steel, rubber, plastic. And now I'll grab the milk container. Now we take the plastic straw and insert it into the milk container. And we have our little setup here. Bring it over to the machine. Sits in the right hand corner. The stainless steel attaches to a magnet. And this rubber straw will insert into this machine. So there's magnets here and this pulls off. Now you can see the milk set up here with the milk container in the bottom right hand corner, and then the various straws which attach to the machine here like so. Then you put the cap back on and you're ready to make a coffee. And now that you're ready to make a coffee, you just need to toggle through the menu until you find the drink that you want to make. There are many different options like espresso, cappuccino, but today I'm going to make a latte macchiato. So here you can see I've chosen the latte macchiato on the screen, and I can change the quantity, the strength of the coffee, the temperature of the coffee, all on the screen here. Also on the bottom right, there's an option to make 2 cups of coffee, so you can press that on to make a double 2 cups at a time, which is a nice option. Otherwise, you can change the temperature above. It goes from very high down to normal. So choose based on your preference. For the latte macchiato, you can go all the way up to 16 ounces, but I'm going to make a smaller one today at 4 ounces. And then you can also change the strength of the coffee from mild to strong, very strong, and all the way up to a double shot. Now all you need to do is press the start button on the right hand side and it will start brewing. And just so you guys are aware, I am cutting some clips out to make the video a bit shorter, so it will take a little bit more time to make your coffee, but it is relatively quick. And there you go, all done. And now that the coffee is done, we need to rinse the milk system. Of course, this is only applicable if you use the milk system, but you'll see that you need to press the button with a water droplet on it to bring up the cleaning services. The top left-hand corner, it says rinse milk system, so press that option. Now it tells you that you need to remove the straw from within the milk system and place it into the grounds container. So pull it out at this point the straw and place it into that little hole in front of the grounds container. Now remove the milk container as well, as this is not refrigerated. Close the door and on to step number 2. Tells you to put a cup underneath the outlet to collect the water. Now press start. This will rinse for about 1 minute, and then the rinsing system is done. What you'll want to do next though is take out all the pieces of the milk system and then just give them a rinse under tap water and let dry. Thank you everyone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section, or if you're an Airbnb guest, send us a message. Thank you. Bye-bye.